Native American jewelry making arena, there is a beading sequence known as the flame. And I love these colors so much. This is a necklace that I did bead. And, so I wanted to make my own version in a cabochon form in polymer clay because I just love the colors. So this is my version, and I have a lot to show you. So if you like to see how I do this, let's get started. Okay, I went ahead and finished burnishing, and you can use anything like this or acrylic roller. You can just run it across the top, and what you want to do is just make it all even, no dips or dings, and it'll take a bit, but here it is. And as you can see, there's no dips or dings. Don't worry about the excess here, but those colors look absolutely fabulous. I just love them. And these are going to look really, really nice as cabochon. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other two sets on another piece of mud clay and see what they look like. Alright, I'm finished with all the veneers and placing each one and also burnishing. And as you can tell, this is the first one in the middle and the bottom. And as you can tell, they do look a little different. This one's got bigger patterns, bolder. Then they get a little muted and darker in the center. And then they're really crazy at the end. So that's why I kind of keep it separate, because it does give me 3 different styles. Even if it did come out of the same clay. So it's kind of nice that you could see the differences here. I'm going to go ahead and make cabochons just with this one, and this one separate, and this one separate, so that way I'm not mixing them again. So let's go ahead and get those started. Okay, with the first veneer, this is how many cabochons came out of that, and I think they look absolutely fabulous. Really colorful. Not one is the same. Not one pair, should I say, or set are the same. All I need to do is just bake them and buff them, and they're going to look absolutely beautiful. So you can do any shapes you want, but actually that one veneer made a whole lot of cabs, so that's kind of nice. And these are, and this came all out of that one veneer. So I've got 2 more veneers to go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish those, and I will be back. Okay, all my cabochons are completed. They're all sand and buffed and polished, and some have UV resin. This is what it looks like before it's polished, so it's kind of dull, and it does need some sanding, but it's actually got some really pretty colors, and I wanted them to pop. And here is some that have UV resin on them. As you can see, whoop, they don't, just a little. And these are going to make really nice earrings. I can't wait to get started on this one. And here's some other ones. I made different sizes. Here's some other ones that are domed, as you can see. And oops, a little bit of clay. So there's no one that matches. They're all completely different, which I really like, and that's what I was going for. And like I was saying before, is in the native community jewelry making, there is a beading sequence that's called the flame. So that's basically what I was going for, and these are the colors that create that. And the necklace that I showed you in the beginning is what the flame is. So it's actually a pretty good sequence. You can add any color to it: turquoise, purple, you know, pink. I just happen to go with the traditional turquoise, which was the extra color. So yeah, you can see that there's lots of different colors in there. And as you slice that, it gets, you know, you get different shades. You just never know what you're going to get when you cut those, when you slice it and then you make your veneers. So these colors are really great. Very, very pretty. I mean, some have, oh goodness, butterfingers. Some have more other color, like red or, you know, hair. This one's got a little bit more black. This one's got a darker tone to it, but it's actually very pretty because you could see how it graduates into different colors. So that's a pretty stone. And as you've seen, I make different shapes, which these would be nice as an earring. And let's see, and then here's the bracelets. These ones I just did a little bit of polyurethane. Well, there goes the thunder outside. So these will be beaded around. I'm not sure how big I'm going to make the cuff. It might be here, it might be like this, and then these will extend over. I'm not quite sure. I could give you an update if you like. This is really pretty. For some reason, it just attracts me. I like the way that burnt looks there. That's really pretty. And these might be as a set, or they might just be taken apart and used in another way. So I didn't think I showed you these ones. And here's another set. This is I think this was the last set, so that's more orangey and more tight patterns than the first one. But right now this is what I have, and I did get a lot out of that one little block. So I will be showing you some updates on this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Everything, all the material that I use will be down in the description, and hopefully where to find it. But if you want to see more tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I would really appreciate it. And I do have a Facebook page, so you can follow me there, or an Instagram. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.